night. They like night. And that's what we call the night owl. Do you know the word owl? Owl. Owl is fukuro. Right? So it's a bird that likes night. Okay? So if you are a night owl, you like to stay up late. I am a night owl. I am not good at waking up in the morning. An early bird is someone who likes morning. They go to sleep. They go to bed at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and wake up at 5, 6. No problem. I am not an early bird. Okay? What about you? Are you an early bird or a night owl?
I'm a night owl.
So I was a night owl. Kazuya, what about you?
Early bird.
Early bird? Early bird? Itsuko, what about you?
Early bird.
Early bird?